In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gutter margin to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This process will help you ensure that when your document is printed, the binding won't interfere with any of your content. So let's dive in and go through these steps together. First, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. If you don't have it already, Adobe Acrobat is a reliable choice for managing PDF files and offers a range of professional tools you'll find helpful. Once you have your PDF open, navigate up to the global toolbar and click on Edit. This will allow you to make various adjustments to your document. Next, choose Organize Pages from the menu. This feature lets you reorder, delete, or modify your PDF's pages, among other things. Within the Organize Pages view, you'll see various options, but what you need is Set Page Boxes. Click on that and a dialog box will appear, giving you the ability to alter the page size and margins of your document. Proceed to the Change Page Size section within the dialog box. Here, select Custom and enter your preferred page size. This is a crucial step because it sets the dimensions of your PDF tailored to your specific printing needs. Now focus on the X offset field, which determines the horizontal placement of your document content within the page. Enter a value of 0.1125 inches. This is a standard setting, but make sure to adjust according to your needs if they're different. This offset will nudge the content to create an appropriate margin. Once you've customized the offset, move down to the page range section. Here you'll select all and apply these settings to even pages only. This step ensures that every other page in your PDF shifts correctly to accommodate a gutter margin. After confirming these settings, click OK to apply the changes. Now you'll need to repeat this process for the odd pages. Click on Set Page Boxes once again, return to the Change Page Size section and enter the same custom dimensions. This time in the X offset field, type in a negative value of 0.0125 inches. This shift will move your content in the opposite direction, aligning with the even pages you've already adjusted. Again, head to the page range section and select all, but this time apply the changes to odd pages only. Once you've clicked OK, all your settings should now be applied successfully. You can close the Organize Pages view and take a moment to review your document. You should notice that your gutter margins are correctly placed, resulting in a well-formatted PDF ready for printing. And there you have it. By following these detailed but straightforward steps, you can efficiently add a gutter margin to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Thank you for watching and happy editing.